Turning is one of the most fundamental CNC processes. The workpiece spins, the tool moves, material is removed. But turning is not just one operation, it's a family of processes, each designed for a specific feature. So what are the essential turning operations you need to know for precision machining? Let's go through them. The most common turning processes start here. External turning removes material from the outside diameter. The basic operation for shafts, pins, and bushings. Facing creates a flat reference surface at the end of the part, always the first step for length control. Contour turning follows a programmed path to produce curved or complex rotational profiles, rollers, pulleys, ergonomic handles. Thread turning produces external or internal threads, bolts, fittings, lead screws. It demands precise synchronization between spindle rotation and tool feed. Grooving cuts narrow channels, O-ring grooves, snap ring grooves, relief grooves. Look simple, but chip evacuation is critical. Parting/cutoff separates the finished part from the bar stock. High risk, narrow tools, high cutting forces near center line. Boring enlarges and finishes existing holes. Bearing seats, hydraulic ports, precision internal diameters. The challenge? Long tool overhang causes vibration. Drilling creates axial holes. Center drilling prevents wander. More complex when holes are deep. Reaming improves hole size, roundness, and finish after drilling or boring. Tapping cuts internal threads. The biggest risk? A broken tap can scrap the entire part. Step turning creates multiple diameters along the part. Motor shafts, transmission shafts. Taper turning produces conical surfaces. Taper pins, tool holders. Morse taper interfaces. Chamfering cuts angled edges, removes sharp corners, improves assembly, reduces burrs. Knurling forms patterned grip surfaces, handles, knobs, adjustment screws. Unlike cutting, knurling displaces material and can increase diameter. Eccentric or off-center turning produces features that don't share the main rotation center line. Pump components, eccentric shafts, cam-like features requires careful balancing. With live tooling and C-axis, your lathe can also mill flats, drill cross holes, and tap off center features all in one setup. That's turn mill machining. The right process depends on your part. External turning for diameters, boring for precision holes, threading for screws, grooving for seals. Many parts need multiple operations in sequence. Understanding each process helps you plan better and machine smarter. At WMT CNC, we build lathes that handle all these operations and help you choose the right configuration.